Hello everyone. It's a little unusual for me to make a video so quickly after the previous one, but I have decided to make some changes here with this in-ground Mexicola tree. This has been the central part of my experiment, and I have felt this tree is surviving but not thriving. There's something going on here where it's just not responding as well to the conditions as even my potted trees are. So I started thinking about the planting that I had done, and I remember at the time I did not have as much of this sandy loam that I like to use. I was substituting more raised bed mix. I think I was using some of the topsoil around my yard. So I understand that avocados need good draining soil. I had added sand and perlite to the mix, but it really was, I think, not ideal. It was still retaining too much water. And here's the soil mix, and I just am not finding avocado roots in that. You can see one little root here, but most of these finer roots, these are just weeds. So I'm concluding it needs a soil replacement. And I did that wedge yesterday. I'm working on this one now. And I'm going to see if improving this soil, or maybe going from one extreme to another, is what I need to do. I am just going to use sandy loam, sand, perlite, fertilizer. That's it. No organic. And one way or the other, I'm going to learn something by changing the soil here, and I will update everyone later.